We all heard about Satoshi Nakamoto, but have you heard about Nakamoto games? If not, stay tuned. I will tell you all about this and why you need to keep your ears and eyes wide open. Welcome back to the Crypto Jomo trading channel, where we talk all things crypto trading and we love talking shit coins. Nakamoto is one of those coins that I love to talk about. Why? Because it's a possible and probable and almost certain, because nothing is certain in life except death, uphill mover killer coin. Let's dive right into it. Nakamoto games. All right, I love it. Let me just reset. What is this over here? Come on, it's kabushi. Reset the chart. Boom. We are now at the 44-ish level. All right. Now, what's painting over here? Beautiful VCP pattern. Okay, a volatility contraction pattern with a double bottom shakeout. A bottom shakeout is where we have a double bottom. All right. We have a 1 and we have a 2, and the second one is lower than the first one. It's a shakeout where people or market makers or whales shake out all the weak holders, everyone thinking that's it, it's doomed, and then they scoop on, they buy it, and it moves higher. We can see that from these lows we already made around almost 30%, right? Now the VCP means the volatility contraction pattern, which actually means there is a diminishing volatility each time you make a move. All right, now we actually measure from peak to trough. So this is the first peak to trough actually, and if we measure this move down, this is a 34% move. And if we measure this now small pivot volatility over here, this is a beautiful pivot, by the way, just a beautiful pivot, all this. All right, if we measure this from the peak to trough, right, this is the second contraction, 12%. Now, I will be honest, the buying above the 47-ish area on Kucoin, because on MEXC it's a bit different, buying above over here, above the 47, all right, 47 will be the break of the pivot, is an amazing entry level. And I will tell you why, all right, because if we take a look at the past of NAKA, this is what happens. And this is exactly, all right, what we look in our group. If you don't know what you're looking for in trading crypto, you need some help, you need assistance, you want like-minded people, traders, click on the link in the description on the first comment and join our community. All right, we look for the same things again and again. That is called an edge. Right, we look move, an uptrend, first initial up move, we had this 535% move from the lows. Then we look for consolidation, a digestion of profits sideways, 138 days of sideways action, and then we looked for entries. Right, we looked for pivots. So the third pivot we entered was at 30 cents. Right, the second pivot we entered was just above over here, it was just above over here. This was a 35 cents. Right, this was the second pivot, and the third pivot was just above the break of that last all-time high over here. Right, and from our inception, right, this was an 85% trade. Now we already took profit into strength, and now we're waiting for this to unfold. Let me just remove everything for you to see again. So I told you, upward movements, consolidation, and then gains. Now if we take the same principles, what do we have? We have an upward movement, right, of 200%. We have sideways consolidation of almost 70 days, and now we're waiting to see if we can break from this first pivot. Right, the first pivot is where we start our position, and then we see what might happen. We break out, maybe we build over here just around the 52, boom, then we build another one. That was the second entry, right, second entry, and then we build here, boom, third entry, break of the all-time high, just like here, 1, 2, and 3, and then we took profits into strength. Probably the same thing here, 1, 2, 3, and then moon. This time it will probably even be more aggressive. Right, so NAKA is a coin you must have on your radar if you are a breakout trader and if you're a hodler, because to be honest, NAKA is one of the only coins that is showing relative strength in comparison to the market. Look at this, right? Look at this. I will show you. I will add here. Let me add, all right, BTC, all right, in a new pane just below that you can see over here. This is BTC, all right? This is BTC. Look how it's sloping downwards, right? From, let's say, from here, all right? In the beginning, it went with it, right? But from here, right? BTC, all right, this is not the wrong one, delete this is the right one. BTC sloping downwards, all right, down. What is NAKA doing? It's moving sideways only. It's moving sideways and now up while it's going down. So if we can see this over here, all right, is this over here, and we can see that we made an up move. This is relative strength, guys. This is relative strength to the market, okay? And if BTC for some reason wants to create a further up move, all right, or just stay same prices, not break down below the 25k, because if we break below the 25k, this might need to fail, all right? This might fail. Remember, this is trading. This is not gambling. These are not certainties. We trade the probabilities, right? Now, if you break below 25k, probability of this breaking out is low. However, if we remain on the same prices or even make an up move on BTC, the probability of NAKA just going sky high until the $1-ish, all right, is quite high, and that is where we will make our money on NAKA. And as I said, as a long-term hodl, this is looking good. Let's go to the weekly chart just for 1 second, just see how NAKA is moving from the lows, all right? So from the lows, it made an amazing 780% move from the start of the year, 780% move. And look, this is a new type coin, right? This did not have a full market cycle. It's a new project. Look, this is a virgin chart, okay? Virgin chart, no market cycles. This is exactly what you want to look for. All right, everybody, if you liked what you've seen, please give me a like and subscribe for the algorithm or for me, because I like the dopamine rush. I just love it. You know how it is. The more you give me, the more I want to give even more knowledge on our YouTube. And if you really want to see exactly how you trade, please click on the link in the description. If it will take you here to our community. This is the page, all right? Just you can choose whatever tier you want. Just go below, choose $20, $89, whatever, what suits you, whatever you want. You want me to go hand by hand with you? We have many people do that. We have only 3 remaining on the VIP and 4 remaining on the Super Trader. But if you don't, you just want to start out and see how this goes, take, all right, the Alpha Trader. We have 12 spots remaining only until I will change this tier, because we just need to change it soon, all right? And we got all the signals, all the executions, how we think NAKA or other trades. We talked about cash, for example, and more. AKT we took last month, we made 100% on it, and more and more and more. And if I walk the walk and not only talk the talk, you can see it on other videos. I always share all the good trades we had that I'm talking about. You can see it there, right? You can see it on other videos because I share it, okay? Walk the walk, don't just talk the talk. All right, everybody, hope you like this. Continue having a beautiful day on Sunday and a fantastic continuation of the week. Remember, stay tight and no edge, no trade, everybody. Cheers.